Text, Beltone HearMax app, how to accept and install new settings with Beltone Remote Care. Apple App Store and Google Play logos. Text, open the Beltone HearMax app. The app image shows a white globe with two blue arrows around it. A phone screen appears. Text, tap My Beltone. A finger taps the bottom right. Text, notifications appear next to My Beltone and next to My Requests and New Settings. A red circle appears next to My Requests as the next to last option. Text, tap My Requests and New Settings. A finger taps the My Requests option and a new screen opens. Text, tap Install. This message is an example. The message that accompanies your new settings will include a customized message from your hearing care professional. A finger taps on the right. Text, scroll the button and tap Continue. This message is an example. The message that accompanies your new settings will be personalized for you in the request you submitted. A finger taps a line in the message and scrolls. Taps Continue at the bottom center. A new screen opens that lists conditions for Bluetooth, hearing aid battery and 25% mobile power. Text, the app will automatically perform a readiness check. When all three conditions receive a green dot, tap Next. Taps Next at the bottom center and instructions appear to take off hearing aids and place them next to mobile device and do not use phone or apps while installing. Text, follow the instructions and tap Start. Tap Start at the bottom center. Text, when installation is complete, the status bar will indicate 100% with a green check mark. Tap Close. You can now enjoy your new hearing aid settings. Taps Close at the bottom center. Logo, Beltone. Learn more at www.beltone.com.